Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for risk assessment. This is your full guide for 2025. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to log in to your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one, it's pretty straightforward to set up. This is the platform where we'll conduct our risk assessment. The reason we do this is because Zoho Project is a versatile tool with powerful risk assessment capabilities. Now that we've logged in, navigate to the Risks tab on your dashboard. This is where we'll be identifying and listing potential risks for our project. The reason we identify risks is to protect our project from potential roadblocks or issues that might hinder its progress. Next, click on the Add Risk button. Here, you're going to input the details of the risk, including the risk name, type, owner, and potential impact. This helps us because it allows for a structured approach to risk management, ensuring each risk is appropriately categorized and assigned to a responsible team member. Once you've added a risk, you'll see it listed on your dashboard. If you click on the risk, you'll be able to add a mitigation plan. This is essentially your strategy for managing the risk if it arises. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is storing this information and enabling quick access for all team members, promoting transparency and effective risk management. Now that we've done that, let's talk about monitoring. Zoho Project allows you to track these risks and monitor their status over time. You can update the status as the risk evolves and the mitigation plan is put into action. The reason we do this is to keep a pulse on potential risks and ensure they're being managed efficiently. Finally, don't forget to use the Reports feature. Zoho Project generates comprehensive risk reports that provide a holistic view of all the risks identified, their status, and the effectiveness of the mitigation plans. This is crucial as it allows you to assess the overall risk profile of your project and make informed decisions moving forward. And that's how you use Zoho Project for risk assessment, a key tool in any project manager's toolbox for 2025. By following these steps, you'll be able to identify, categorize, monitor, and manage potential project risks efficiently. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.